Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix frequent call drops on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now, very first thing when this is happening, that you want to make sure your signal is good. Try to move to a better location. That could be simple as just taking the call outside or near a window. Sometimes if you're in a building or somewhere deep, it may not have enough signal or the call may be just dropping. The next thing you want to do is pull down that control menu, put your phone on airplane mode briefly, and then turn it off, and it does a quick network refresh of your cellular signal. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is go into your setting and then go to general, and then in the about page. When you're on this about page, it's going to basically, if you have a carrier update, it's going to pop up with a message and you can click on update carrier. Now, if you don't have one, don't worry. That means your phone carrier is up to date, which means you can move on to the next thing, which is going to be going ahead and turning off Wi-Fi temporarily. So if you have Wi-Fi turned on, turn off temporarily and try doing it. Sometimes it tries to switch between Wi-Fi calling and regular calling. So it's good to just turn it off and see if the call is fixed. That is the case, then you may have Wi-Fi calling turned on. So you'll need to turn the Wi-Fi off to kind of test that out. Now, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is that try using basically on your phone. If you're having the issue is that if you have a physical SIM card, you want to remove the SIM card. This is for older iPhones that have it. You'll see a SIM ejector tool usually is on the left to the right. You take the physical SIM card out here. This is a newer phone, doesn't have a physical SIM card, and you're going to try to remove and take it in and out. Now, after you have done that, you want to go ahead and restart your phone, but using this method, you're going to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So all I'll do is quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and I hold down this side button and keep on holding until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So let's wait for the Apple logo to appear, and at that time we will let go of that side button. And again, if it doesn't work the very first time, go ahead and try it again. The key here is to quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then hold down the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. At that time, you'll let go of your side button, known as a forced restart. It will not delete any of your data. Important step to do in terms of this fix. Now, the next thing you want to do is go into your setting and then go to general and scroll down to transfer or reset iPhone. Click on that, click on reset, and you want to do a network setting reset. This is resetting the network settings. Very important step to do if you're still having issues. It will not delete your data. Now, the next thing you want to do if you're still having an issue is making sure you're connected to the internet and then going to your general and then software update and check if there is an update. Sometimes a previous update might have caused issues, which happens time to time with the update is a bad update. You're going to look to see if there's a newer update that you can update your phone. If there is, go ahead and update your phone to that latest version. And finally, if you're having issues with all of this and it's still not working, you updated the phone carrier setting, the phone, you restarted it, did all of the steps that you could, you may need to contact your carrier because sometimes carrier can have local outages, poor coverage, account or SIM problems, or even network issue with the carrier, and they can only resolve it on their end that they can do something. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.